Hi everybody, Claudia again, and this is part 2 of the tutorial. In this one I will show you how to replace your front ends. So we are back in the place on K Drive where you keep your backend file and your front end files, individual ones. Each employee has her own front end file. What you're going to do for a start is, well, the same what you do with backend. Grab the front ends and move them to archive. If some of the front ends is open, you won't be able to move it. Please ask everybody to get out of their front ends before you do this operation. Okay, so the old front ends are out of the way. Make sure that you know their names. If the old one was Smart Database FE-Lorian, that's exactly the same name you will have to give to the new front end if you wish for it to work it well and for your eventual desktop shortcuts to work as they used to. Okay, go now to the zipped file with the new front end I delivered to you. Let's say that this is the one. Enter. Enable content. Save as. Ignore this message that all objects must be closed. Just say yes. And here again, as with the backend, the Windows, the system is asking you where do you want to save this front end and under which name. While you are here, you can already rename this one into Lorian. Navigate to your K drive and to your folder where you keep your backend and save. Now at this point, it is very likely that the database will give you a message that it can't find the backend file. That is because this front end is still linked to my backend, not yours. I'm going to stop this recording for a minute to simulate that message, and I will be right back. Hold on just a second. Here we are back again. Okay, so what will happen when you unpack the new front end, rename it and save it into this location? When you open it again, it will give you this message that the front end could not find the backend file. Of course it can't. The backend file, you see this link, this is still a link to one of my documents. So you just click OK here and go to External Data tab to Link Table Manager. Click Always Prompt for New Location. Select All. OK. Find your K drive and your backend there. Click on your backend file. Click on Open, and voila, all selected link tables were successfully refreshed. So this is the procedure where you link your new front end with your back end, pointing it to the file on your computer, not mine anymore. Close it. Close the front end file. Wait a little bit till it digests everything. Okay. And when you open it again, you can see that your front end is now linked to your data file. Okay. And now you are ready to copy this one into as many files you need and rename each one. Rename each one into exactly the same name you had before. What we had Jane Doe there, etc. for every database user. I strongly recommend that you do this procedure on the computer with the oldest Access version. I think that your oldest one is Access 2007, and some of you have new Offices 2013 or maybe 2016. If you do this front-end replacement on a new computer, then the old ones will not be able to use the front ends. So sit in front of your oldest one, do this, and everybody else will be happy. That's it. I think this is clear enough. And again, if any part of this is not clear, ping me, ask me, and I will do the explaining again, no problem. Good luck and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.